Took the first steps toward making its station safer. Metro awarded the contract for the first construction project to install security gates and fencing at Metrolink platforms along its 46-mile rail system. The project will cost $52 million. The first 4 stations getting upgrades are all in St. Clair County.
So we're taking the current footprint and we're modifying gates and fences. What's important to point out is, we will only be able to take fencing out so far. There are major grade crossings and roadways, adjacent to some of our platforms. But what we're doing to complement the security aspect of that is, if you trespass in one of those breached points, you're going to be engulfed with CCTV technology. So we'll funnel you into the technology itself.
And this is what those stations will start to look like. All 39 stations will eventually have fencing and gates like this. The first 4 will serve as a test to see what kind of modifications need to be made for other platforms to be safer.